Well, after Prashant Kishore's meeting with NCP chief Sharad Pawar on Friday ruffled political feathers, NCP today denied that the key political strategist is joining the party, claiming that it was part of Pawar's efforts to unite the opposition against the BJP. Here's more.
What's cooking in Maharashtra? The state where politics always plays out like a Bollywood pot boiler. Are there some new twists and turns on the horizon? A series of recent events have lit up the political grapevines, with speculation abuzz over some fresh developments taking place. It began with BJP's Devendra Fadnavis meeting NCP chief Sharad Pawar last week. A meeting that triggered massive speculation about what could be afoot. Whispers intensified a day later when Fadnavis met his political foe, Eknath Khadse, at his house in Jalgaon. Shortly thereafter, Eknath Khadse called on his party chief, Sharad Pawar. A meeting that could be read into, but was called a courtesy visit. But whispers positively exploded when Khadse then met NCP MP and Pawar's daughter Supriya Sule, with speculation over whether this was about pressure being brought to bear on the Thackeray government. On June 9th, Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray met with Prime Minister Modi, along with his Deputy CM Ajit Pawar and Congress leader Ashok Sawan. A meeting regarding reservation for Marathas, but significant given the symbolism. If the symbolism wasn't enough, the meeting was followed on June 11th with Sena leader Sanjay Raut, a known BJP baiter, publicly praising Prime Minister Modi.
नरेंद्र मोदी हे भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे आणि देशाचे सगळ्यात मोठे नेते आहेत आणि गेल्या 7 वर्षात भारतीय जनता पक्षाला जे यश प्राप्त झालेलं आहे ते नरेंद्र मोदी यांच्या चेहऱ्यामुळेच प्राप्त झाले हे नाकारता येणार नाही ते स्वीकारले पाहिजे.
And the latest, a meeting between Maharashtra strongman NCP chief Sharad Pawar and election strategist Prashant Kishore over lunch in Mumbai. A month after the famous Bengal victory, was 2024 on the table? With these meetings setting off speculation, Pawar added fuel to the fire by declaring without really being asked that the Maha Vikas Aghadi government would last its full term.
आणि त्यामुळे कोणी काही शंका घेतली तर शिवसेनेनं ज्या पद्धतीनं त्या कालखंडामध्ये भक्कमपणाची भूमिका घेतली ती भूमिका सोडण्याच्या बद्दलचं काही या ठिकाणी केलं जाईल असं जे काही अदाकी कुणी मांडत असतील ते वेगळ्या नंदनवनात चालतात एवढंच या ठिकाणी मी सांगू इच्छितो. म्हणून हे सरकार टिकेल, 5 वर्ष काम करेल.
So is any realignment on the cards in Maharashtra? NCP has rejected all rumours about Prashant Kishore joining hands with the party. Interestingly, NCP insisted that Pawar wanted to unite opposition, hinting at major efforts to give a credible poll challenge to BJP.
पवार साहब की इच्छा है कि देश में सारे विपक्षी दलों को एकजुट करने का काम किया जाए. वो लगातार ये बातें करते आए हैं. एक सशक्त मोर्चा भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ खड़ा किया जाए.
3 months ago in March, both Sharad Pawar and Home Minister Amit Shah were in Ahmedabad, amidst intense speculation of a meeting between the two. Neither confirmed meeting, but political pundits saw it as mounting pressure on Uddhav Thackeray. While the NCP has evaded clear answers, the Shiv Sena has denied rumours of a patch-up with the BJP. But the series of meetings and movements has ignited huge buzz over a political realignment in the offing. With Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.